Hello,
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good. Who is this?
Sir, my name is Michael Jr. and I'm calling you from a lower interest benefit department of Visa and a Master credit card.
Okay, yeah, all right.
On
You,
which credit card would you like to get lower interest rate? It would be a Visa or a MasterCard.
the Visa, and you said your name is Michael Jr.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hang on. Let me write it down.
This is your... Sure, sir.
Michael Jr. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, sir. Can you verify me the expiration date, the month and the year?
Sure.
Make sure that your card is not expired, sir.
Okay, let me pull it out here. Hang on a minute. Let me see here. Firearms permit. No. Let me see here. Big Y credit. No, that's not. Is it the IHOP Visa? Is it that one? The IHOP Visa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Because that's where I get my coffee every day. When I get my coffee down there, they got the smiley pancakes and all that. So good. Anyhow, listen, I got it here. What do you need again? What are the numbers?
The expiration date.
Expiration.
The year.
Okay, expiration is 7/24.
Yes, sir. That's great. Okay, sir. We are going to send all the paperwork regarding the 0% interest rate at your doorstep.
Oh, say it.
Provide me a 5-digit zip code.
Say again, because your really thick Indian accent was throwing me off. I can't hear a lot of the words. Say it again.
No, sir. I think we are having some problem in our line. Please verify me your 5-digit zip code.
The 5-digit zip code is 375. Hang on a minute here. I'm confused a minute because we just moved. We was in a different county, and then my sister passed away. She was in a very tragic accident. Anyhow, we moved counties, and then we moved over to here where we are now. And I've been living here with my new wife Gloria. And hang on, she knows our zip code. Give me a second here, Gloria. Gloria! Hang on a minute. Let me get her. I think she's out with the puppies. Gloria! What? Hang on. 1 second, sir. Hang on. He needs to know our zip code. 37084. Okay, it's 37084.
Yes, sir. Any rough idea what the balance you have on your Visa card? Any rough idea about that?
The balance? I think we maxed it out at around 25K. Because I just went down there and I went to, you know where they got the outdoor world? We just bought a big camper there. We've been taking it down on the weekends, and I like to go bass fishing at this little lake we got out here. And do you fish at all? Do you like to fish, Michael Jr.?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What kind of fish do you like?
Early in the morning, sir.
Well, of course, that's when the fish are biting, am I right?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Well, hold on a minute, Mike. Hang on a minute. I gotta know, what are you fishing for, and what are you using for bait? Using minnows? Using shiners? What are you dragging?
Shiners, sir.
You use shiners? Wow. Okay, so you'll use a 2-pound line or a 1-pound line, because if I was using shiners, I'd probably use like a 1-pound line and maybe something with a deep cast.
Sir, we are not allowed to talk about fishing or anything else. Okay? This is a business line, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull out...
I'm just trying to be, Michael, I'm just trying to be friendly here. You're so friendly. I can hear in your voice that you're a very gregarious guy, and I'm just trying to be friendly. But if I've offended you in any way whatsoever, I do apologize. But for me, I wouldn't, I just wouldn't, for shiners, I would not use anything less than a 2-pound line.
Okay, sir, please verify your 16-digit card number starting with 4.
The
Your written billing statement.
which card number?
The Visa card number.
Okay.
4, long 16-digit number.
Okay, the IHOP number though, right? Not the one that I have, because I got another card that's got a much higher limit. That one's got about 35K, and I haven't touched that one. Which one do you want?
So one of the card which you owe 20K. I'm talking about that.
The one that I owe,
With 4, your Visa card.
the one that I owe 25. That's the one where we went down and we bought the camper with.
Okay, sir.
That card, right?
16-digit card number starting with 4.
Okay, you ready? Let me get it out of my wallet here. Hang on. All right, let me know when you're ready, Michael.
So I'm ready, sir.
Okay, here we go. 4 8 590 620 109 2103 4. And I can't tell if this is an 8 or a 3. I'm tilting it. No, do you ever get the card? You got to kind of tilt it sideways a little bit to see if it's a 3 or an 8. Michael?
Can you re-verify those numbers?
Well, now hang on. I just put the damn card away. Do you have it?
Numbers are invalid numbers.
Hang on. You read it back to me. Because I get a little, with all the scammers out there, I get a little leery about just yelling these numbers out. You never know who's listening. I could have a neighbor next door with a walkie-talkie phone and one of them things.
Okay, sir. I will see that the number. It is 4859.
Yeah, that looks right. Oh, hang on a minute. The nine could actually be an 8. Hang on, back up again. What do you have for the 4? The first 4 again?
4859.
485. No, the 9. I'm telling you, the 9 looks funny. It could also be a 7. Hang on a minute. Let me turn on a light in here. All right, read it one more time, Michael.
4857.
4. I don't see now. I see it as a 9. Hang on. 485. No, well, it probably is a 7. Hang on a minute here. Let me run my finger over this thing. Damn it, it's just hard to tell. Go ahead, read me the first 4 again.
4859.
4859. That's okay. I guess it's a 9. Go ahead. What you got for the next 4?
0620.
0620. Yes.
1092.
109. 109 what? All right, hang on a minute. Start over again. Now you're confusing me. Back to the front. First 4, please. Go ahead.